Hello again, Hacker News. I'm checking out another app called drlinkcheck.com that was shared just today. Um, so again, maybe you've seen me before. I'm going to be using an application I'm working on called Moustachio to perform a review of your app and to kind of use it and maybe reveal some usability problems. If you give me just 10 seconds, I would like to share with you that I'm using an application called Moustachio to perform this review. Moustachio lets you share a URL with a friend, a family, or a colleague via your social networks or other standard channels like Instant Messenger or Facebook. And it allows them to simply do a freeform review of your site, such as the one I'm sort of going to do today, or it allows for you to ask them to do a specific task while you watch. And by doing so, you can learn a lot about the usability of your site. So I hope you'll check out Moustachio and consider using it for your projects. So yeah, and just to let you know, I checked this out on my Android phone earlier, so although it was a small screen, I have seen this just a little bit. So we'll check it out here now. So looking at the design, it's great, it's nice and simple, and let me refresh this page. Lets me humorous. Let's check your website's links. Trust me, I won't hurt a bit. Along with this logo is quite amusing, so that's fun. You're in beta, so I guess you're letting me know I might find some bugs here, and I hope I do find some for you. So kind of the first thing here is this doesn't look like an input. So it wasn't perfectly honest. It wasn't perfectly clear to me that I could click here and modify it. And again, even when I did click it, it didn't select all the text, which would have made it more obvious. It kind of just puts the cursor in. So at the very least, when you click this, it should select the text. But ideally, if you could make it look more like a text input, that might improve usability just a little bit. And then the next thing is your start. Doesn't necessarily look like a button. It kind of does, but it's not obvious that this is where I put my URL, and this is the button I click. Also, start, your verb of start, there might be some other verbs that either make this more apparent what this is by pairing this space with a different wording here might be useful, or you might be able to find going along, kind of keeping the humor aspect of your text. You might find something that's more humorous here, and just for fun, maybe it was different every time you came here, a different humorous verb of sorts. So let's see, I want to finish checking out the rest of your landing page. So you've got a home link that links to itself. I think that's like an anti-pattern of web design, so maybe get rid of that, or consider removing that. I don't know how useful that is, unless this is the footer on every page and it's there for consistency. But if that's the case, don't make it a link. Just make it text. If I have, a black word home and then this, and then I see it later. If I see it again, let's see if I do. I see it again. If now this should be black and this a link, and then it's clear that this is navigation. And I guess that's the only navigation on your site. Maybe move that to the top, which is kind of where your standard navigation is. Consider that. So I want to put in, you saw maybe before, I have a blog. I'll run it 4 minutes ago. So let's go back for just a second. What happened there? So one, you're saving that, or did I? So you saved that. That's okay. And I just kind of want to slow down. So when I click start, I got the Ajax loading. Alright, let me check a different one, just to get a different experience, to get the first time through experience. We'll go to blog at Moustachio. I checked it on my phone earlier. What else do I have? Nothing. Alright, fine. Oh, okay, so I can recheck. I can view the last results or recheck. Recheck is kind of what I was looking to do. I didn't even notice those. So, get the link. The link takes me out. Okay, good, it's pop-up. I like that it's a pop-up and I didn't lose your site. I kind of expected that when I clicked it I was going to lose Dr. Link Check, so I'm glad that I didn't. I can view the last results, pops up instantly. I can recheck, which is a little bit slower. Good. So yeah, so is it checking? I wonder. Oh yeah, it is. It's checking live. That's cool. I like that. I like that I can immediately get there. So here's a blog. I have 47 links, and this I'm getting. All right, so 47 links. So what I'm seeing here is I've got the hand to click all, but all is already selected. So maybe don't make it appear to be clickable when it doesn't do anything. So yeah, these are clickable and should be clickable, indicated by the cursor. This one should not be clickable. I don't feel, because it kind of creates confusion more than anything else. And so these are filters. I can filter out, just see the broken ones. I can just see the blacklisted ones. Yeah. Maybe a short description of what is broken. What does broken mean? What does blacklisted mean? So you get your link targets. Oh, so it's a filter on a filter, so I can see all the broken ones linking internal. So maybe like a reset might be useful, but that's not important. And again, I'm just kind of talking out loud as I click around to let you know what I'm thinking, and maybe reveal some problems with usability. So this is for your own good here. This is for you, not for me. So I don't know if that means anything. Maybe get it out of here. Unless I wanted to tweet like, this is. What will this tweet? Will this tweet here's what I don't know. Am I gonna tweet Dr. Link Check, or am I gonna tweet my status of my site? Let's see real quick. I'm not gonna log in. So yeah. All right. So continuing. If I click that, I go to my blog again in a new window, and I think that's the right way to do that. So link from, link to. Oh no, okay. So this linked from. So this is the target of the link, and this is the page with the link. That's not entirely clear right away. Just so everything's not linked internally, go to kind of a real blog. Oops. So I noticed that it's only been 8 minutes, so I can't view it again. Now that's a little frustrating, because if I had just imported a bunch of content to my blog, like if I imported another blog, maybe I want to run it again quicker than 8 minutes. So I don't know necessarily why you're doing that. If you've got a good reason for it, then great. But if there's not a good reason to make me wait, let me run it again right away. Would be my feedback there. So okay, case study. Uh-oh. So there's a bag. Linked from. Case study. Cool. Well, you found a problem. Great. So I've got 17. That sucks. I've got 17 broken links on my page. That's a whole like a whole 5% of my links are broken. I have a whoppingly large number of internal links, and that's probably just because I'm using a Tumblr blog. Yeah, so sorry, no. So I'm filtering down on broken. So all my broken links are external. So I guess these. Okay, I've got some descriptions here. Oh, this is why it's broken. Hostname could not be resolved. 404. That's cool. So I wonder. Oh, the link is an invalid format. So you've got some different types of broken links. So I wonder if you've got room for another filter, so I can see all the broken links that are because of 404 problems, or all the broken links that are because of an invalid format. That might be useful. And it looks like you've got the data and you've already got filters, so maybe you could show us that. So you've got external and internal. So yeah, there's some feedback there. Let me just check these out real quick for you, because these are easy to change. So you got your one-liner. That's cool. I kind of want to see that. So this is really weird. Your navigation's at the bottom, which is... If I wasn't doing this review, I probably wouldn't have seen these the first time. But because I'm doing the review, I'm talking about it, and I knew these are at the bottom. But I really feel like they need to be up top. Yeah, so you've kind of got that one-liner that maybe could fit on this page somewhere. Like, you got this here, and that's nice. You're using comedy rather than kind of giving me the value proposition of checks the website for broken and blacklisted links for free. Maybe that's... Yeah, I feel like that needs to be on the landing page. So this is really cool too. This is where your value proposition gets in. This is why I want to check it. This is why I want to check it regularly. And that's another cool feature is if you could check my links regularly and email me when there's a problem, then you've got a service that's really cool, because it's going to continually make my blogs or web properties better, and it's going to make sure I keep coming back to your app. Every time I have a problem, I'm going to get, or even a weekly report or whatever, it keeps me coming back to your app. And then as you add new features, premium features to pay for, then I become kind of aware of those as you roll them out. So consider that. So yeah, it's nice and short. This, maybe make these bold to make it more scannable. Yeah, this page maybe could be a little more scannable with some bold words or some quotes. And contact us. The best part about your contact us, oh no. I was going to say the best part is there's no mail to link. Because when I click a mail to link, I get this stupid Outlook Express. I hate that. At least you didn't just say email us and make that a link. At least I can get the link, so I can copy, paste it, pop open Gmail and throw it in there. So that's cool, but I hate mail to links because I haven't used Outlook in like 15 years, and that's the only thing that ever pop open so I could post to. So yeah, there's my review of Dr. Link Check. Thanks for sharing it. It seems great. I didn't find any bugs that I was hoping to find for you, but thank you for sharing. And again, I performed this review using Moustachio. I hope you'll have time to check it out and consider using it in the future for kind of sharing your sites and getting feedback. So thanks.